thought to myself, that's the shape of things to come. She said, why in the club you don't make it precipitate? You know, make it rain when you can make it thunderstorm. Why? The world needs sun, the hood needs funds. Why?
What y'all going over here, man? I'm busy right now, trying to get ready for Make It Rain in the Hood. Come on. These are some of the clothes that we're gonna take out there to a homeless shelter today, man. Some of the clothes we got some new. Look at these right here. Brand new. Bing! Got these right here. Creative Solutions. My girl Sean, big up to you. You know what I'm saying? And also my man Douglas Smith holding it down. So we got a lot of things we're gonna give away, man. But I'm gonna tell you, me and Cujo, we're gonna go to a homeless shelter. But not only Cujo, we're gonna talk to quite a few people, man. I'm gonna have Jeezy. That's right, Jeezy from CTE. Also, I'm gonna have Slick Puller and David Banner, Mr. Mississippi. He got some things he wanna say too, man. So, you know, I gotta take the robe off. You know, I'm in a crib and everything, but you know, gotta take the robe off. You know, got to take off these slippers. You know, these are trademark slippers for the crib, man. We gotta go out here and make it rain in the hood, man. So y'all come on with us, man. Another episode. Big up to Young Jock for the first episode. Here we go. How you feel about giving back to the community, man?
I mean, well, I always been doing it.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? Like, for me, it ain't really something that, you know, it's just how I always been. You know,
Yeah,
from
me
the
too.
time I started, you know,
Yeah.
I gave away $50,000 worth of scholarships. Last Christmas, I gave away $50,000 in toys. This year, I gave away $30,000 in toys. You know, that's I've been doing it.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? So like, we gotta support the people that's giving.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? It's like the folks that do all the stuff that people be talking about don't be the people that we support.
Yeah.
Like if we talking about, you know, I buy into more than people music, I buy into a lifestyle. We gotta support the people that's giving.
Mm-hmm.
Like, hey, this year, what I give is gonna be an extension to what I get.
Right.
If I get $10 million, you know, I'm giving away $1 million.
Right.
If I get $10, I'm giving away $1.
Right.
Oh, man, you
Yeah.
see what P doing in the hood, man. Like, get around him and protect him, man. You know what I'm saying? Make sure that don't nothing bad happen to him. You know what I'm saying? Because God has blessed him to give back. So at the same token, we got to place our hand and protect him.
Now we're gonna go over here, Cujo Goody, you know what I'm saying? We gotta show love to the Goody mob, man, the whole Dungeon family, man. We gotta do that, man. It's only right in Atlanta. You can't even do that without getting here with Cujo, you know what I'm saying? Oh, Goody mob, CeeLo, or Timo, you know what I'm saying? Oh, you know, I'm telling you, you just gotta do that.
You know, make it rain when you can make it thunderstorm. Why? The world needs sun, the hood needs funds.
Tell them what we need to be doing in the hood. You already know what it is, man. This Slick P, the voice box of the block, man. You know how we do it in the hood, man. You know, just holiday season, man. You know, we did the tours in the hood thing for the youth, man. For the underprivileged families, for the underprivileged season, man. You know, it's a mush to get back to the hood. So, you know, we always do functions for that. When the Hurricane Katrina came through, you know, we loaded up trucks for that. Tours in the hoods, we do that every year. You know, so we do the back to school thing. So, you know, we make it rain every day, man, for the youth, man, for the children, man. You know what I'm saying? It's all about giving back, man.
What up, 8732, that's what it's do. It's your boy Young Jizzle from the bottom of the map, man. We talking about making it rain in the hood, man. I make it rain in the hood, man. Y'all get back. That's what I do. Real niggas, real things, real people, nigga. It's life. You know, like I'm from there. I'm a product of that environment, man. It's like, because at the end of the day, when you bless, you gotta give back. So, you know, if I could make it rain in Magic City, I could definitely make it rain in the hood. You should do the same, nigga.
The homeless have nowhere to turn when their stomach starts to burn, cause they ain't got food to eat. How the children gonna learn when they gotta take turns, cause they ain't got books to read? Then our babies turn to crime, started getting high, cause the job train's kinda slow, cause ain't nobody worried.
finna go over here to a little homeless shelter, man, and give out some coats, some shoes, and all that good stuff. How you feel about that, Cool?
I love it, home team. You know what I'm talking about? This how you make it rain in the hood. Ain't all about money all the time. It's about the necessities of life right now. You know what I'm saying? So we finna rain some clothes on these folk right now, home team. Get ready, y'all. Finna bring tears to your eyes, y'all, to know that.
All right.
Get your children out the street.
Dre, we down here in Atlanta, Georgia, shawty, surviving, you know what I'm saying? Y'all talk about this, all y'all presidents, y'all come around here and see what we doing. We about to make it rain in the hood right now, man. Finna throw some necessities out. That's the business. What's up, home team? What's your name, y'all? Carlos in the house.
Hold on. Trying to get.
Hey, that's ready to go to Ohio.
That's too big.
You know how we
I'm
do
ready
it.
to go to Ohio.
Ohio.
I'm ready. I got a job gig in Ohio.
Okay, Cujo, you can get away.
Can I get that leather?
Let me see that.
Can I try that black one?
Okay, we got a 2X. Cujo got a 2X right here. Big Pun got a tag. Y'all find something thick brother, Mike. All right.
What's with the brown joint?
The brown one. There you go. See, can you wear that? Okay.
I'm going on. I mean,
y'all know Cujo Goody, right? Goody Mob, right there.
where at?
You ain't know that?
Showing y'all some love, man. You know what I mean? Keep my head cut at the phone.
Alright, that's what's up. Alright, so you gotta see that big cup. Right, commercial, you like leather, right? I don't remember what y'all was saying. Leather coat right there. You think this would be good for you? Try that on, man.
Y'all say the rappers don't bring nothing back. Right here, they bringing it back to y'all straight to the streets. We buy the records and they bring it back.
There you go, take that.
What's up? Hey, who got a picture phone? Who got a picture? Extra large hoodie. Yeah. That's what's up, man.
These are 9 right here, man.
I got no 12.
Anybody wear 9?
What size are those, Don? Right here?
Yeah.
You could express a little something for the. What you think about this?
What's up, man? Man, show mad love, yo. That's really good in the hood, you know what I mean? Really appreciate mad love, yo.
You got some sneakers?
Yeah. Bless me, man. That's what's up. At least somebody think of my side as well, man. You know what I mean? I always remember that dog right there. That's my main dog.
He said, keep on praying, man.
Keep on praying. Most high hear y'all, man. Just keep on praying, so I gotta keep praying, so that's all.
Because of my class.
Yahweh, that's your name, Yahweh. Say Yahweh a few times, see what happens.
At least somebody think about that, man. That's what's up, man.
About Yahweh Elohim.
That's what's up, man. Hey, man.
Great, man.
Okay, it's all good, man. It's all good, man.
Peace up, man.
Somebody still thinking about us out
Oh,
there.
man, that's what it is, man. I feel you.
I'm on 1365, Wichita Drive, a word on the store.
I feel cool.
I feel crazy, home team. This is the feeling I like to feel. It's that soul food feeling, baby. 1995, 96, 7. You get that type of vibe, baby. But it's our people, homie. I mean, these people buying y'all record, you can come make it rain down here in the hood. You know what I'm saying? Make it rain, we need water.
Cujo Goody came through, man. Goody Mob, Dungeon Family. Just gotta respect them, man. Just gotta respect the Dungeon Family, man. Everybody over there held it down real big. Also, we had David Banner, Slick Puller, you know what I'm saying? Jeezy, CTE. So big up to everybody. Big up, man, James Wade rolling out there with us, man. Also, Big Vision. Big up to Creative Solutions, my man Douglas Smith. And big up to my man Shannon McCullum, man, for taking the photos and all that, man. You know, I had to come back in here and get the roll back on, buddy. Then I already did the deed. All we trying to do is make giving cool, man. You know, like I said before, when I was leaving here, I know sometimes they get on your nerve, homeless people, because they get on mad sometimes. You know what I mean? But it's all to the good, man. We're going to jump back up here because you always got to have a little strategy on them. I'm going to get back on the chessboard, and the next Make It Rain in the Hood, be on the lookout. We might have that Outcast, Andre 3 Stacks, and Big Boy. You never know.
Life is the ultimate game. Living's the ultimate struggle. If you ain't built to maintain, then ain't no alternate hustle. Niggas done slept on floors, hungry and cold for this music. We had to knock down doors, now these whores just abuse it. Just for riches they choose it, so they call it a hustle. If you ain't got no heart, then you ain't moving a muscle. All these Frankenstein niggas sewing dead shit together. Sit back, take a breath, let your head get together.